Hey y'all! Today I am going to be showing you how to make your very own deodorant. Oh my goodness, I'm really excited. Okay y'all, so this deodorant is legit. This is not one of those, oh, I'm gonna make it because it's a fun at-home craft. It lasts all day long, it's all natural, really easy to apply, and it is better than every other deodorant my mom and I have ever tried. And she's 42, that's a lot of different types of deodorants. No offense, Mom, love you! So for the ingredients, we are going to start off with coconut oil. Woo-hoo. Next on the list is arrowroot. You can actually use cornstarch, but this is 100 times better because it won't leave your deodorant all grainy, whereas cornstarch will. Baking soda, a mixing bowl, 1/2 cup and 1/4 cup, scissors, a jumbo popsicle stick. You can actually use a normal popsicle stick, but I prefer jumbo. And lastly, you need a little container to put your deodorant in. So begin by adding 1/2 cup of coconut oil to your mixing bowl. Next, add 1/4 cup of arrowroot. And lastly, you're gonna add 1/4 cup of baking soda. Mix all of the ingredients together, and then if you like, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of essential oils to give it that really nice scent. Pour it into your little jar. Sorry for the bad angle. Measure your popsicle stick, cut it, and then insert it in the jar. And I'll explain the reason for the popsicle stick in just 1 second. Ta-da! You now have your own homemade deodorant that works better than any other deodorant in the world. And it's in your cute little jar. Now normally I take this size and split it between my mom and I. But for the video, I just put it in one container, and this one's really cute, so. Every time you open it and you use it, you're gonna wanna take your little stir stick, if you can grab it, and you're gonna just wanna stir it because what happens is the baking soda and the arrowroot separate from the coconut oil, so you're just gonna wanna mix it every time to make sure they're both combined. Otherwise, you're gonna get coconut oil in your armpits, and it's not really gonna have an effect. But that's really the only bit of labor. Thank you so much for taking the time to even watch this. Hopefully you'll try it and hopefully you'll love it. I know you'll love it. And yeah, if you wanna see more, hit that subscribe button down below. And if you liked it, let me know so that I can make more videos like this and you'll like them. Okay, bye, I love y'all. Have a great day.